Just let your tummy muscles relax there, Paul. There you go. You don't sort of jump forward.
Oh my gosh.
Good girl.
All through my arm.
That was good.
Yep, I can feel it.
Yeah. That's causing a lot of nerve pressure.
Oh my gosh.
That's where that...
Just relax. Slowly. Yeah, breathe slowly. Oh! It's alright.
Good boy. Stay like that for me for a minute.
Migraine headaches?
A little bit of a push in through here. There we go. And then just make a slight adjustment, just like that. It'll click here for me. Good. Perfect. The adjustments are very gentle, and they actually feel very pleasant. And I can feel some areas in Shannon's spine that are a little bit tense. Breathe out. Atta girl. Good. There we go. Very good.
Good job.
Can we give him his first adjustment here? Coming back here. Okay, let's go here. Good. Good time. Good. Okay. Nothing ridiculous. Yeah, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just run. Good. And that's probably where shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah. That was much more difficult to adjust. Thank you. Okay, right there. Whoa, beautiful. Yikes.
Go right into that. Very good.
Atta girl. Good. Perfect.
Relax your shoulder. There we go. Way down here. Stay loose. There we go. Now face down.
I'll drop right over my finger.
Alright, to there. Let your head drop. Take a breath in. Let it out. Good. So let your head drop. We're going to come way around this way. Leave your breath out. Wiggle your toes.
Eye contact.
Get the other one right there.
Oh wow.
And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of traction. We're going to give it a little stretch.
And then I just watch her breathing and give it a perfect. I know you heard those. Excellent.
There you go. Shoulders down.
further. There it is.
Just relax. Perfect. Relax your head. There we are. Perfect.
Hey, hey. よしっていうことだ。はい。体を大きい。はい。もう一回いじって。はいはい。よし、OK、きれいだ。
Leave your breath out. It's all good. Right there. Good job. Good. Leave your breath out. We're going to fold you up. Leave your breath out. There you go. Leave your breath out. Breath out for me, please. And
Good. Now gently move this over. That girl. And over here for me. Perfect. Here, breathe out. Just like that.
首の骨に歪みがあるんですけど、取り除いていきます。力を抜いて。
Tot timpul este cu bărbia ușor în piept. Deci.
Nu și voi.
Asta e după câteva luni de practic. După care vreau să puneți astfel mânuțele și să faceți tura faraonului. Îmi dați de brațe? Acum așezați-i. Noi uităm unde are cifoza, dar gheaba. Și punem exact sub vârful cifozei propriul nostru piept. L-am adunat, băgăm pieptul către în față, trângând în același timp de antebrațe, spre noi și în jos. Da? Asta nu se face. Și după care lombara. Punem coxalul și din coace lăsăm greutatea ușor a corpului nostru și ducem în extensie maximă. Lăsăm greutatea noastră, uitați și crăcasul. Aici.
breath in, back out. Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go big breath again. Good job. It's a little high on the right, so let's go on your side.
I can feel that one.
Okay, breath in. And out. Good job. One more.
That one went before.
Yeah.
And here it goes right here.
Oh wow.
There it is.
That is crazy.
Just in case, we're going to bring the end point of the joint play right here. Great. Go ahead, breathe in and then breathe out. That's it. Beautiful. And then right here, we'll go ahead and adjust.
Wow.
There it is.
But I don't think.
Just relax the shaker, and that's the adjustment constant technique. And now on to C2, and similarly we take the neck to tension, and then it's there.
The vertebra. It'll feel like your neck, but it's not. It's the actual first bone in your spine, in your back. That's pretty good there, Les. Can you handle that?
Yep.
Just sink in the chair a little bit more. There you go. That was good. That was tough, mate.
Yeah, that was a...
Now, if that was causing all the nerve pressure that you've described, you'll feel a bit light in the head or a bit flushed in the face right now.
I do.
But look at your face, it's red as a beetroot.
Yeah.
There was a lot of nerve pressure there, mate. I'd say that's what was causing it.
Alright.
Oh, shit, I get it.
Does that go right through your chest, mate?
Yeah, that's like...
Yeah, that's the nerve pressure there. Alright, buddy. Because of how guarded these muscles are, I'm going to use a different contact to what I would normally use for this. I've got to get over this massive... Look at that, it's like a big valley of tissue there. Alright, this is not going to be easy for you, mate. But I'll make it as gentle as I can. Okay, slowly come off there.
Well...
Can you see that getting? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Like this is within seconds. Can you see that dip getting less?
It's totally relaxed.
See this muscle's letting go. He hasn't got that. Before I could grab a chunk of muscle. Now it's obviously there because we've all got these erector spinae muscles, but it's not sitting up like it was. Obviously there's still all this fluid there because, you know, that can't go away in 5 minutes. These muscles are starting to let go. See how that's got some, it's got some softness in it now? That was just...
We'll just go right here. I'll give it a quick little bump, and it makes a lot of noise.
I'm going to drop down to this side. Perfect. There we go. Oh, that was a great one. There we go. Relax your shoulder here.
いくよ。はい、力抜いて息吐いて。そう、いきます。
Gently move this over. That a girl. And over here for me. Perfect.
Yours? And he's really got a C2 on this side, so I'm going to just contact it very lightly. But he's got a lot of flexibility. T1. And just relax. Go ahead once.
Really good. Okay, let's flip you over. It's a common tension area for 100% of the cheer team. Right here.